Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this geometric art. First click on the line segment tool, hold, and then select the rectangular grid tool. Now double click on it to open the options window. Set the horizontal dividers to 10 and the vertical dividers to 10 as well. Click OK. Let's change the fill to none and the stroke to red. Now click, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Shift key as well. Press the letter P for the pen tool or select it from the toolbar panel. Now we will create this diagonal line. When I hover over this anchor point, you will notice the minus symbol next to the cursor. If I click on it, I will delete it. Let's undo it. To do this correct, first press and hold down the Shift key and now click on the top anchor point to start the line. Hold down the Shift key a little bit more and click on this anchor point to finish the line. Click away to deselect. Press the Ctrl and A keys on your keyboard to select everything. Next, select the Shape Builder tool. Choose Black from the Swatches panel. Let's leave the first column empty and drag the mouse over the second column to create the first shape. Skip the third column and create another shape that is double the width of the first shape. Skip one column and create a shape that consists of 3 columns. Now let's create one black row on top, one over here, one here, and connect these 3 shapes together. Let's choose white and create the remaining shapes. Select everything and change the stroke to none. When we press the Ctrl, Shift and D keys on our keyboard to show the transparency grid, this is what we should see. Let's hide the transparency grid. We can press the Ctrl, Shift and D keys again, or go to View and choose Hide Transparency Grid. Select everything and press the Ctrl and G keys to group everything together. Let's scale it down. Click on this group and drag it to the right to create a copy. Now rotate it by 90 degrees. Select everything and create another copy. It helps to have the guides turn on so everything is aligned perfectly. Let's rotate it by 180 degrees. Select everything, group it together, and scale it down. Let's create one copy here. Select everything and create one more copy. Let's group everything together. Make sure the Align option is set to the artboard and now choose the horizontal and vertical Align Center. If you wish, you can add a background. First, select the Rectangle tool and create a square the size of our art. Open the sublayers of layer 1 and move the rectangle layer to the bottom. Press the letter S for the Scale tool and then hit Enter. With the uniform scale highlighted, press the up arrow key on your keyboard to increase the size of the square. Click OK. If you like, change the fill to light gray. To adjust the size, hit Enter and adjust the value. Finally, go to Effect, Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.